Hello students, in this class we will see the AP exercise 5.1. Few basic questions are given to check whether the given situations are in AP or not. We know for any sequence to be in AP, the common difference should be equal between the terms. Just to recap, see, if this is in AP means the common difference 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. So common differences means 2 is first term, 4 is second term, 6 is third term. Common difference will be A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, right? So if you do not know what is common difference, what is first term, what is AP, go and visit my another video where I have explained given introduction to the arithmetic progression. Okay. Having said that, in the AP, the subsequent terms are obtained by adding common difference to its immediate previous term. So with this knowledge, we'll see whether the given situations are in AP or not. The first one, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer means they're asking whether this taxi fare concept is in AP or not. Situation is for the first kilometer 15 rupees, thereafter 8 rupees for each kilometer means what is given. The first kilometer fare for first kilometer is rupees 15. Okay, and fare for additional kilometer is equal to rupees 8. See, for first kilometer 15 rupees means it's a first term. If you assume that is A1 is 15 rupees. When writing terms, no need to write the units here. Then after first kilometer, see you traveled first kilometer here. First kilometer, that is 15 rupees. From here to here another kilometer. So this total becomes 2 kilometer. You have to add 8 rupees for this. That is 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. If you want to travel another kilometer here, this is another 8 rupees. This total becomes now 3 kilometer. Means this fare plus 8 rupees. Okay. That is your third term becomes A3 becomes you are adding 8 kilometer to the previous term 8 rupees. A3 becomes 23 was the amount to 2 kilometers, then you are adding 8 which becomes 31. To find whether they are in AP or not, you have to find the common difference, and if it comes constant number then you say it's in AP. So we'll say D equal to A2 minus A1, 23 minus 15, 8. D equal to A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23, that is 8. Since common difference is constant, therefore given is in AP. Understood? These problems explains you the application of AP here. If you say why should we learn all these things, where we'll use, these are the few examples. We'll move to the next question. The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1 by 4th of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time means there is some air in the vacuum pump cylinder. Pump removes 1 by 4 of the air. Every time it removes, first stroke it will remove 1 by 4 of the air. Something will be remaining again. Second stroke it will remove 1 by 4 of the remaining air. So we have to form the terms and see. Let's see. What will be the answer for this is, see, let the amount of air in cylinder be X. We don't know that X. So air removed in first stroke is how much? 1 by 4, right? So 1 by 4 of x, that is x by 4 part. What is there left after removing the first stroke? Once it removed 1 by 4, what is the amount of air left? From that they are remaining 1 by 4 next. So we have to first find what is the remaining air. So air remaining now is x minus x by 4, that is 4 is the LCM, 3x by 4. Now from this 3x by 4, they remove 1 by 4 again. So air removed in second stroke 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 of x, that is x by 4. Okay, they said every time they it remove 1 by 4 of x, 1 by 4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So 3x by 4 minus x by 4, 1 by 4 of, okay, 1 by 4 of 3x by 4. So air remaining is this much. They are removing air, air left. Okay, here air left after stroke 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 of x. That is, if you solve this, 3x by 4 minus 3x by 16. 16 is the LCM. 4 4 is 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 3 becomes 9x. Similarly, air left after third stroke is what is remaining now after second stroke 9x by 16. Again 1 by 4 of 9x by 16. Understand this. This comes 9x by 16 minus 9x by 64. Understanding, right? Every time you have to calculate the air remaining, and from that you remove the 1 by 4 of the remaining air. So 9x by 16 minus 9x by 64. 64 is the LCM. 16 4 ja 4 9 ja 36. 36 minus 9 will come 27x. That's enough now. For therefore terms are what now? Terms are first remaining is how much? 3x by 4. Next remaining is 9x by 16. Next remaining is 27x by 64. Now we have to find the common difference for these terms. If they comes constant, then we say this situation is in AP. So let's see. D is equal to 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4. Or okay, the first term is initially it was x, right? So my mistake here. Now 3x by 4, second term is 3x by 4 minus x you have to subtract. A2 minus A1, you know the difference, common difference. 3x by 4 minus x. 4 is the LCM. Okay, let me write it. It's giving problem here, the pen. I'm sorry, pardon me for that. Okay, not I did not pick the pen itself, sorry. 3x by 4 minus x, 4 is the LCM. 3x minus 1 4 is a 4, 4 into x, 4x minus x by 4. Find the another one, that is 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4, which comes 16 is the LCM. 16 1 times the 4 4 is 4 3 is 12x. 9x minus 12x is minus 3x by 16. If you see here, the common difference is not same. Since common difference is not same, this is not in AP. Okay, we'll move to the next question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, it looks similar to the first question. Just check out the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging. When it costs 150 for the first meter of digging a well, and after that every other meter 50 rupees is subsequently more. Okay, so here we know cost of digging first meter was cost for first meter rupees 150, that is A1 is equal to 150. Then cost for subsequent meter is equal to rupees 50, that is A2 becomes first meter plus 50 rupees gives 200 rupees. A3 third term means third meter which goes to second meter plus 50 rupees. That second meter cost plus 50 rupees, 250 rupees. This is enough for us to check whether it is in AP or not. Therefore, we say D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, which comes 200 minus 150, it is 50 only. 200 minus 50 is 50. You find another one. Okay, D is so that 250 minus 200 is 50. 200 minus 150 is 50. Similarly comes 250 minus 200 is 50. Okay, this is A2 minus A1, this is A3 minus A2. Therefore, since common difference is constant, given is in AP. Understood? It is same as the first one. Taxi fare for first kilometer is nothing but cost of digging for first meter. Thereafter, they are increasing the kilometer rate 8 rupees. Here, digging per meter is 50 rupees. If you read at the statements itself, you should be able to identify. You'll see the last one in the first main, which is quite different, interest and amount. Okay, let's see. Here, the amount of money in the account every year is 100,000 rupees, 10,000 deposited. Compound interest at 8 rupees per annum. Compound interest is nothing but you have a formula in 9th standard, which is A equal to P plus 1 minus R by 1 by 1 P of 1 plus R by 100 into whole power N. That we don't use it here. We just use the amount, and amount multiplied by interest gives interest amount. Okay, let's see. So here principal for first year is what, rupees 10,000. Okay, then interest for first year, how much, rupees 10,000 into 8% means 8 by 100, which comes to rupees 800. That's the interest for first year. They have asked the amount of money in the account every year, means your amount for the second year will become first year amount plus first year interest. Remember that. That's the concept of compound interest. So here, principal, I'll say P for principal. P for second year, how much? 10,000 plus 800 rupees becomes 10,800 rupees. 10,000 plus 800 becomes rupees 10,800. Okay. 10,000 plus 800 becomes 10,800. So similarly, Interest for second year how much? Same, 10,800 by into 8 by 100 means 8%, right? Into 8 by 100. Okay. How much it comes? 8 8 is 64, 8 1 is 8. This is the interest. Similarly, principal for third year is 10,000 plus 864 becomes 10,864. Then interest for third year. First, we will at least find three terms here. So, rupees 10,864 into 8 by 100. Okay. 10,864 into 8 by 100, which comes to 933.12. If you calculate, you have to calculate yourself. Okay. That is 10,864. I'll write it properly. Pardon me for the pen issues. Into 8 by 100. Okay, I cannot cancel it here. It comes to rupees 933.12 after calculation. So, see if you observe here, for years 1, 3 years, we have found something, that is interest is 800, 864, 933.12 rupees symbol you put, because it's the amount. So if we check out here, differences if we find, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So A1, A2 minus A1 becomes 864 minus 800, 64 rupees. A3 minus A2 becomes 933.12 minus 864. So 1 2 I'll remove. Okay. 933 I'll take whole number. So 933 minus 864 means you can calculate and subtract here. 3 minus 4 is 9, means 13 minus 4 is 9. Definitely it's not the constant, whatever you get, we got in the previous step. 13 minus 9, 4 is 9. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. Therefore, since common difference is not constant, given is not in AP. Please understand the concept here. You have to find at least three terms to check whether the given situation is in AP or not. Okay. Thank you.